You are going to love the 2021 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.